Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to fill up missing vowel in each picture. Let's start. Missing vowels. Write the missing vowel sound for each of the picture below. Look at the first picture. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Look at the second picture. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Look at the next picture. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Look at the next picture. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Look at the next picture. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. Look at the next picture. Pan. P-E-N. Pan. P-E-N. Pan. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Look at the next picture. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Look at the next picture. Bib. B-I-B. Bib. B-I-B. Bib. Next is C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Let's repeat again. S-U-N. Sun. Sun. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. P-I-G. Pig. P-O-T. Pot. R-U-G. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. P-E-N. Pan. H-A-T. Hat. B-E-D. Bed. B-I-B. Bib. C-U-P. Cup. Cup. Well done kids, you're doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.